Hey guys, this is Egil. You want to make $50 right at home without doing any hard work? Yes, it is possible. I want to show you how to make $50 in a day. I mean $50. And it's real. What you have to do is just to watch videos and click on adverts. Now let me switch to my phone. Let me show you how to make that money. Guys, so the website is feb.be/n. As you can see, make money online without investing. Yes guys, this one you can make money without investing anything. And what you have to do is to perform simple tasks, just simple tasks, and you can make your $50 in a day. Just try and earn your first money today. And it says that you can withdraw up to what? Just $30, and you can withdraw. So you can see guys, you can easily make your money just in a day. So when you watch your videos, and you click on the advertisement, just 30 cents you can withdraw. And if you like this video, kindly click on the like and please subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's go on. Now when I scroll down, you can see how the money is made. You just visit those sites, you watch peer-to-peer videos, and as you watch them, you will be paid per the clicks of the video and the clicks of the website. Let me switch to the program and show you an example of how I earn my money. Yeah guys, now as you can see, this is the Feb software I just launched on my phone. So this is the current money I've made, though I've made some few withdrawals last week. I withdrew about $100 last week. So but this is what is left in my current balance. So as you can see under it, these are the sites that you have to visit, or the advertisement you have to click on. Then when you visit those advertisements, this is the amount to be paid per each advert. So let me show you an example. Let me tap on this one. Then when you tap on the advertisement, it will load. So when it loads, you just watch. So visit complete and just watch. I've earned, look at the money I've earned guys. This site is real. They really pay. They really make money. So for you to make your money at home, you just need to visit this website and just keep on clicking on the advertisement and watch the videos, and your $50 is assured per day. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe and like this video. Hey guys, this is the end of our video, and I know that all of you are going to make that $50 every day. And this video is a link to the Feb website. Click on it and register so that you can make that money. If you like this video, please kindly register and like this video so that this channel grows. See you soon. I hope that I will see everyone making money. Bye bye.